Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn force field analysis, a tool for deciding whether change is likely to happen. Force field analysis looks at two types of forces. Driving forces push toward change. Restraining forces push back and resist change. Let's visualize it. Imagine a heavy box in the center. Driving forces push it to the right, and restraining forces push it to the left. On the math side, we scored each force from 1 to 5. The total driving force is D, and the total restraining force is R. The net force is D minus R. If the net force is positive, change is likely. If it is negative, change is difficult. If it is 0, the system is in equilibrium. Now, let's do an example. A school wants a new playground. Driving forces are kids want exercise, safer equipment, and a nicer school. Restraining forces are high cost, noisy construction, and less parking space. Add up the totals. The driving force is 5 plus 4 plus 2, which is 11. The restraining force is 5 plus 2 plus 3, which is 10. Now compute the net force. F net equals 11 minus 10, which is 1. Since this is positive, the change is slightly favored. To make the change easier, increase a driving force or reduce a restraining force, like lowering the cost.